Bild keeps track of all the changes made to the files within your workspace, allowing for visibility into the entire design process and the ability to easily roll back to previous versions when needed. To view the complete version history, right-click and select Show File Info. Navigate to the Activity tab at the top of the data card and expand a revision block using the down arrow. Click within the revision block and the 3D viewer will launch to view an older version. You can download this version by clicking Show File Info and Download in the bottom right corner. You can also view the children files for previous revisions, as well as revert back to any version if needed. Another tip is to click directly on the block ID to navigate to an associated ECO.